I said trip-tote. I did not say tip-top tailor. It is trip-tote. Okay? Fine, brothers and sisters. Keep that in mind. هذه مكوات. What is مكوات? Iron. And she, at the end you see ta marbuta, that is feminine. Now we get a beautiful, another harf jar. Harf jar. Brother? Harf jar. Liman. Now here is one more harf jar we are learning. What is it? Li. For. Or belongs to. Li means for or belongs to. Brothers and sisters, li means for or belongs to. Okay? Brothers and sisters, liman. Man is a noun. So what is liman together? Li is harf jar. And man is noun. After harf jar, noun has to come. Harf jar will always be followed by noun. Okay, brothers and sisters, tell me. Don't tell me meaning. Just tell me in grammatical terms, what is liman? Jarun wa majroor. Khalas. What is it? Jarun wa majroor. So liman means jarun majroor. Liman hadhihi. Okay. So it is a thing which is a muannas. Okay, so what is the answer? Hazihi li Khalidin. Why Khalidin and not Khalidun? Harf jar. Harf jar, isam majroor. Harf jar, isam majroor. So it became li Khalidin. Li Khalidin. Sister Naima, is it clear? Ji? Yes, I will repeat it. What is li? Harf jar. Harf jar, noun has to come after it. Noun has to come after it. Noun has to come after it. So if the noun is Khalid, so it became li Khalidin. Sahi? If it was Muhammad, it would become li Muhammadin. Or if it was Yasir, it will become li Yasirin. If it was Abbas, li Abbasin. Is it clear? Because it is harf jar. It is a preposition. It's a preposition.
And if it was dipto, then we say the.
Yes. So here, let's say about Zainab. It belongs to Zainab, or it is for Zainab. So I will say li Zainaba, mashallah. Why ba, brother? Because it is a diptote, it cannot take a kasra. But now, because of li, I will say Zainab is ism majroor. What will I say? Ism majroor. Okay? I will say ism majroor. You know, all these things will be repeated in book 3, but in greater detail. In such a nice way, they will be repeated in book 3. But brother, this knowledge of analysis will help you there to understand with ease. To whom it belongs. To whom it belongs. What is the answer? It is for Khalid, or you can say it belongs to Khalid. It belongs to Khalid. Okay? Liman haza. Liman haza. Haza li Muhammadin. What do you say? Haza li Muhammadin. Are you with me? Liman haza. Haza li Muhammadin. Now I am writing here the name of Abdul Qadir. I write another name. Abdullahi. Brother, what is Abdul Qadir? Mudaf, mudaf ilayhi. Maybe I should write down Abdul Samad also. Samadi. Abdul Samadi. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? What is Abdullah? Mudaf? Mudaf ilayhi. Now if I say Haza li, what will happen now to Abdullah? Haza li. Look at Abdullah. Now I am using harf jar. Haza li Abdullahi. What will I say? Brother, are you with me? Haza li, Haza or Hazihi, doesn't matter. Haza li Abdullahi. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Haza li Abdullahi. Haza li Abdul Qadir. Haza li Abdus Samad. Not Abdus Samad anymore, because li came, harf jar came. Are you with me, brother Hassan? Harf jar has come. It must make a ism majroor. Are you with me? Now how would you analyze? Haza li Abdullahi. Haza mubtada. Okay, and where is the khabar? Li harf jar. Are you with me? Li harf jar. I need ism majroor. Where is ism majroor? Abdi. Only Abdi. And then what is Abdi? Mudaf and mudaf ilayhi. Got the idea? I will explain you a little bit more, brother. Li Abdi is our jar majroor. Are you with me? Li Abdi is our jar majroor. But then Abdullahi is our mudaf ilayhi. So here, brothers and sisters, Abdi is playing two roles. What is Abdi doing? He is playing two roles. In the first role, it is coming as a ism majroor. And then it is turning around and becoming mudaf. Are you with me? So you have to keep this in mind. We'll do a lot of practice. Sister Mehna, samajh mein aaya? Haza mubtada. Okay, where is the khabar? Li Abdi, jar majroor. But then li is harf jar, ism majroor, wahuwa mudaf, and then mudaf ilayhi. One more time I will say. Haza mubtada, li harf jar, abdi ism majroor, shubu jumla khabar you can say, and then you can say this is mudaf ilayhi. Or you can say li harf jar, abdi ism majroor, wa huwa mudaf, and then mudaf ilayhi. Yes, brother. Sure. Are you with me? Is it clear, brothers and sisters? Okay. Now this was an explanation that I gave you for li, because it seems you got a little confused with li Khalidin. Okay. Look at this sentence. Ad-darajatu anasin hadhihi. Ad-darajatu anasin hadhihi. Darajatu anasin. What is darajatu anasin? Bicycle of Anas. What is it, brother? Mudaf ilayhi. Circle it if you want to. What will you circle is? Ad-darajatu anasin. What is it? Mudaf ilayhi. And then hazihi. Is this the bicycle of Anas? Anasin? See? Mudaf ilayhi majroor. Now, we are not analyzing questions. We will only translate them. What is the answer? La. Hadhihi darajatu Ammarin. This is the bicycle of Ammar. What is Hadhihi? Mubtada. What is darajatu? Khabar. See, it matches. Muannas. Wa huwa mudaf and Ammarin mudaf ilayhi. Now look at it. Hadhihi jadidatun. Why tun, brother? And not hadhihi jadidun? Because it is muannas. Muannas khabar must match muannas mubtada. Muannas mubtada should have muannas khabar. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Very good. Wa darajatu anasin. Huh? If there are no vowel signs, you can put a vowel sign. Darajatu, anasin, anasin, qadimatun. Because where is mubtada? Darajatu. Huh? Wahuwa mudaf. And because it is a muannas, the khabar has to be muannas. So, where is the khabar? Qadimatun. And anasin is mudaf ilayhi. Very good. هذه ساعة علي. These are all the sentence before. Before this we did it with haza. Now we are doing it with hazi. So once you know the concept, it's halwa puri, brother. هذه مبتدا, where is khabar? Sa'atu. Put a line after هذه. هذه مبتدا, and where is the khabar? Sa'atu. Look at the sentence. هذه ساعة علي. هذه مبتدا. Where is ساعة? What is ساعة? خبر. وهو مضاف. And then مضاف إليه. Very good. علي اسم مجرور. مضاف إليه مجرور. Okay. Here. See, now is here. مؤنث. مبتدا. Where is the خبر? جميلة. Jamilatun, Jamilatun. What is jiddan, brother? Very. Huh? We do not want to analyze that in grammar. We will do it in book 3. Huh? Huh? We don't do it now. Huh? I have to be very careful, For me, you are small children, I have to be careful of what I feed you. Huh? I don't want any indigestion. Okay? Fine. هذه ملأكة. What is this? هذه مبتدا. What is ملأكة? Khabar. What is the meaning of ملأكة? Spoon. What do you say in Urdu? Chamchi. Muannas hai. But chamchi has a very bad meaning, Okay, very good. وهذه قدر. So she ملأكة, you saw ta marbuta, which is easy. But Kidrun, you did not see anything to tell us it is muannas. But now, when we read once, then we will remember that Kidrun is a muannas. Like that. Okay, brother? Ash-shamsu. What is Ash-shamsu? Muannas. Al-kamaru, mudhakkar. Al-baytu, mudhakkar. Ad-daru, muannas. Meaning is same. Al-baytu, mudhakkar. Ad-daru, muannas. Okay? An-naru, the fire, muannas. We will, when we come across them, not in Arabic. Mudhakkar. But there must be I tell you, Arabic language is very philosophical. There must be a reason for them to say muannas. Okay. Someday we'll discuss. We'll have a debate why it is muannas. Okay. Anyway, brothers and sisters, hiya jamilatun jiddan, and okay. وهذه كدر, pot. الملأقة fil كدري, muannas. So what is al-milakatu? That I know. Mubtada. Where is the khabar? Jar majrur. Fil kadri, jar majrur, shubu jumla, khabar. Are you with me? Jar majrur, shubu jumla, khabar. Okay. Next one, brother and sister. هذه bakaratul fallahi. هذه bakaratul fallahi. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? So what is this now? هذه مبتدا, bakaratu khabar, wa mudaf and mudaf ilayh. See, when hazihi came, it is bakaratu. Both are matching. They are both muannas. Yes, brother?
What is the meaning of fallah?
Fallah, farmer. Huh? Okay. Now we come to a new concept. Body parts, brother. If the body part is single, like nose, mouth, then it is muzakkar. And if they are in pair, like eyes and ears, it is muannas. Huh? I didn't do it. That's the way the language is. Okay. Okay. So, brother and sister, Hada anfun. Look at an, how it is spelled. Do you see Hamza on an? It means it's Hamzatul Qatar. Huh? We must write that Hamza, the neck of Ain on top. It's very important, brother. Wahada famun. Are you with me? The mouth. Hadihi udhunun. Two ears, it's muannas. Wahadihi ainun. Muannas. Okay. Wahadihi yadun. Wahazihi rijlun. Okay. Is it clear? This is very easy. What is hazihi uznun, brother? Mubtada khabar. Mubtada khabar. Wahadihi ainun, what is it? Mubtada khabar. Wahazihi yadun, mubtada khabar. Wahazihi rijlun, mubtada khabar. Okay, inshallah. Ikra waktub, read and write. No vowel signs, brothers. No vowel signs. How will you read? Haza masjidun. Mubtada khabar. Wa hazihi madrasatun. Madrasatun. Write down, make a practice, brother. Madrasatun. 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 When we go in book 3, we will figure out how this noun was made. That comes in book 3. Fine. Next question, brother. Man hazihi. What is it? Man hazihi. Now, fine. Hazihi ukhtu Abbasin. Put a line after hazihi so that you don't get confused. Hazihi mubtada. Where is khabar? Ukhtu. Huwa mudaf. And then mudaf ilayhi. Very good.